My name is Vatsil Shah and today I am going to present a project on dish antenna positioning system by using an Android application. I have made this as my final year project with my team. We are the team of 4 led by me and other team members are Sagar Singh Rajput, Vandan Joshi and Svetang Patel. So the dish antenna or parabolic reflectors are most common type of directive antennas when we require higher amount of gain. When we talk about pointing a satellite dish, the two primary consideration are the angle of azimuth and angle of elevation. The angle of azimuth is also known as the horizontal angle and the angle of elevation is also known as the vertical angle. In this project, basically we are going to set these angles by using an Android application. The DTH dish on our rooftop, the DTH dish on our rooftops, they are always pointed towards a satellite, which is a geostationary satellite. This is always stationary with respect to Earth. If we can somehow just locate the satellite and point our dish towards the direction of satellite, we will get the high gain, which is the core concept of this project. This is our main circuit. We have used the ESP8266 IC, or it is also known as the Node MCU. Why we use this? So this Node MCU module allows microcontrollers to connect to a Wi-Fi network and make simple TCP/IP connections. It is capable of hosting an application or offloading all Wi-Fi networking function from another application processor. This we have attached two motor driver ICs. Why do we use those ICs? So our microprocessor usually operate at low voltage and they require small amount of current to operate, while the motors require relatively higher voltage and current. So this high current cannot be supplied by microprocessor itself. So we use the motor driver ICs. We have used two motor driver ICs, one for each of our motors. This is our transformer. We have used one transformer here and here is our A to D converter. It takes 220 volt AC supply as an input and gives 12 volt DC supply as an output. These two are our stepper motors. The lower one is to set the azimuth angle and the one on top of it is the is used for setting of the elevation angle. Why do we use the stepper motors only? Because when we have to rotate the antenna at specific direction, this stepper motor only moves one step at a time. So these stepper motors are the ideal one. Let's look at the working of this project. First, we will put the coordinates of our place inside the application. We can do it manually or the app can locate our location by itself as well. Let's do it manually. So I will put my coordinates. These are my coordinates. As you can see, the app has detected my location. This is the list of antennas. So these are some of the name of the satellite which are available inside the Indian continent for the DTH system. So this is INSAT 4A, GSAT-10, ST2 and etc. These are all the satellite names. These are their geostationary positions. INSAT 4A is at the 83° east. It is used by the Tata Sky company. This is the list of all the satellites and the satellite operators. Let us look at the GSAT-10 satellite, which is used by the Tata Sky company and it is situated at the 83° east. This is the GSAT-10 satellite. The azimuth angle for the GSAT-10 satellite is the 154.80 degree and the elevation angle for this is 60.58 degrees. Our azimuth angle was 154.80 degree, which means we have to set this motor at 154.8 degrees, and our elevation angle was 60.58 degrees, which means we have to set this motor at 60.58 degrees. So now let's do it. This will set the azimuth motor and this will set the elevation motor. Our azimuth angle was 154.8 degrees. So let's set the azimuth motor. So this has set our antenna to the azimuth angle of 154.8 degrees. Now we will set the elevation angle of this motor. Let's do it. Now our elevation angle was 60.58 degree. So we will set our elevation angle. This is our elevation angle. This motor will be rotated at the 60.58 degrees. So this has set our elevation angle as well. So after doing all these things, we have set our azimuth angle and our elevation angle. This antenna is points straight toward the GSAT-10 satellite, which is situated at the 154.8 degree of azimuth and elevation of 60.58 degrees. The signals from GSAT-10 will be directly received by this antenna, this parabolic reflector antenna, and these signals will be then transferred to our set-top box and then to our television system. So as you can see, this is the basic model for the dish antenna positioning system. We have set both the angle and direction by using our Android application, and the inside process of it is also explained by us. Thank you so much.